Really quick, let's look at creating an arched opening or an arched window, for example. And we use the built-in fixed window. I'm just going to create a wall really quick. And that's fine. Let's look at that in 3D. Now let's put a window into that. I'll just use the plain old fixed window. We'll go right there. Now what we got is a straight window, but what we want is an arched window. So I'm going to click the window. I'm going to right click and say Edit Family. This is basic family editing in Revit. There's our window. It's made up of a number of different pieces. You can see there's a frame, an emulsion, there's a extrusion, and then there's there's actually 3 extrusions, and there's an opening. So what we're going to do is we're going to edit. We can edit each one of these independently. So I just clicked the Edit button, and now you see this purple is highlighted. I'm just going to delete that, and let's just put in an arc to define the top. Let's just do something like that. And then I'll do the same thing for this one. I'm going to go grab the front elevation. Now you could probably do this much more accurately by offsetting that, but we're going to just do it the quick way since we're in a demo environment. From there to there, up to there. And then let's just check that in 3D, make sure everything looks good. It does. I'm going to finish it. And now what you'll notice is my arch is there, but now my opening is still, or the opening itself needs to be matched to the same spot. So I'm going to grab that. Let's grab it from the interior so we can see the frame. There we go. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to go in and make the arch, and I'm going to finish it. Okay, and then I could keep going and do this here, but for the purposes of speeding this up, I'm going to just finish that. Let's take a look at what it's going to look like. So we've got this odd-looking arched window. Now, if I wanted to, that doesn't look that great. Let's go ahead and finish it. I'll edit that one too. Might as well, right? It's not going to take that long. I'll take that one. There we go. We have that one. Last one. You can see the guidelines that are in place in here for setting the size of the window and so forth. It looks like we've got one on the outside as well. I'll do that there. These are really nothing but just sketch lines that you can just modify. I didn't close it over here. There we go. There we go. And now we can look at that. And there's our window, arched. Looks pretty good. Now I can load that back into my family. I'm going to load it into this project that I created. We'll overwrite the existing one, and voila, there's our arched window. Now if I want to make multiples of these, I can, for example, array this. I can put them that far apart, and I can say I want 10 of those, and there's 10 of them. Arched windows. Pretty easy.